Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your JBL Live 500 headphones now with iPhone or iPad. So first of all, before the pairing, just remember to charge your headphones for like 20 or 30 minutes and also disconnect any previously connected devices. Next, you have to grab this button and move it until this indicator turns on. There we go. Next, you have to locate this Bluetooth button, this one, click on it once, and then this indicator starts blinking quickly. Right now we are in the pairing mode, so we have to go to the settings on your iOS device, go for the Bluetooth, turn it on with this switcher, and select JBL Live 500 from available devices list. Right now we are successfully connected. You can also get the JBL headphones application from the App Store, but honestly there is not like a lot of useful features there. You can only use this sound equalizer, change or turn off your Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant or Siri, and also you can turn on or off automatic power off feature. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.